Good morning, students. Today I am starting here. Next topic, conversion functions. So those functions which is used to convert a primitive numeric data type into string data type and vice versa is called a conversion functions. So there are major three functions is used to convert a string to numeric data and numeric to string data. Number first is toString. So this function is used to convert a numeric convert a string data into convert a this function is used to convert a numeric data into string data, such as if the numeric data is 71, so this will become 78 in case of the string. Let's take an example, integer x equal 639. So how will you use this function? So this is the integer type of value. So there will be the function integer dot toString of x. So this will be convert into string. Next again this is the value of sort. So we will use sort dot toString. So toString is a common function in every wrapper classes. So first we require the wrapper class, then there is the toString function. And the next category is parse keyword. So the parse keyword is used to convert a string data into numeric primitive data type. Let's take an example. This is the string 25. So 25 is an integer type of values. So we will use integer.parseInt. So the value which is stored in s, this will be converted into integer. Next one is 68.9. So this is the decimal value. So we can use a float or we can use in double. So here we are using double, z equal double dot pass double of y. So the value of y will be converted into double data type. And the next category of the function is the value of. It convert a numeric type string into corresponding primitive type object. Let's take an example. The value of s1 is 25, so we are using here, this is the integer value, integer dot value of s1. So the value of s1 will be converted into numeric object integer x. So total there are the three functions. First one is the toString, which is used to convert any numeric value into string type, whereas the parse keyword is used to convert a string data into primitive type, primitive data type. And third category is a value of, which is used to convert a numeric string into primitive type object. So the difference between a parse and keyword, parse is a keyword and value of is a function. Parse keyword is used to convert a value into numeric data type, whereas in case of value of, the value will be converted into numeric primitive type object. Now here I am explaining you the sum functions of the character class. So the answer of the character class functions will be in a boolean or a character. So the number first function is a isLetter function. This function will return a true if the value of ch is in letter or not. So this function will later return true if the input value is alphabet, otherwise it returns false. Next function is a is digit. So this function returns true if the passing value in the ch is a digit, otherwise it returns false. Is digit or letter, this is a function that returns a true if the passing value in ch, if this is a in a letter or a digit, otherwise it returns false. Next function is white space. This function will also return the value true if the passing value of in ch is a white space such as the slash t, slash v and slash n. This will also return a true when the passing value is a blank. Next is the space character. This function will return a value true if the passing value in ch is a space character in form of Unicode is uppercase. This function checks the input value is in uppercase or not. If the input value is in uppercase letter, this function returns true, otherwise false. Next is the is lowercase. This function returns the value true when the input value is in small letter, otherwise false. Now these are the two functions which is starting from 2. First is the 2 uppercase. So this is the function that is used to convert any letter in the form of uppercase. And the return type of this function is a character. Next function is the 2 lowercase. This function is used to convert a letter into lowercase, and the return type of this function is character. So if the function name is start from 2, so the return type of that function will be character. Whereas in case of character class, if the any function is starting from is, so the return type of that function will be in boolean. Now here I am explaining all these functions with the help of example. So the value of ch is the capital A, and we are using here a is letter function. So this will function returns true. So if the in if statement we will get the true, so this will print the message of if. So the answer is A is a letter. In case of the second, the value of ch is 9, that is the digit value, and we are using the function is digit. So in if, here we will get the true, so we will get the answer 9 is a digit. Now here the value of st is a capital Q, and we are using here the function character.isLetter or digit. So this is the capital letter, so the answer will be A is a letter or digit. And let's take an example second, st, this is the digit, so this will also print 6 is a letter or digit. Next function is the is white space, and we are storing the space value in ch. So this function will return the answer true in if statement, and the message will be printed which is inside the if statement. So ch is a blank. And the next function is the is space character. Again we are storing the space in the ch, and the answer will come ch is a unique code. So here this is the answer, space is a Unicode space, and the next function is a is uppercase, and the value of ch is capital B. So the answer will be V is a capital letter, because this function also returns a true. Next is a small h, and we are using here the is lowercase function. So the answer will be h is a small letter, because here the system will return the value true. In this case, we are using the function to uppercase, and the value of ch is small g, so this will be converted into capital Z. Here the value of ch is a capital N, and we are using here the function of to lower, so this function will convert the value of ch into lowercase. So this is the answer before converting and after converting.